Microsoft has weighed in on the situation, though. Microsoft has decided to back Epic Games' lawsuit versus Apple. I mean, not much of a surprise here, really. But you had a tweet from the guy himself, Xbox guy, Phil Spencer. He put out a tweet to show support for Epic Games and to request to keep access to the Unreal stuff, because that affects and impacts him as well. And he's already got the beef going on because he was trying to get his cloud gaming onto iOS and having all kinds of problems with Apple's various policies. Here's the tweet. Today, we filed a statement in support of Epic's request to keep access to the Apple SDK for its Unreal Engine. Ensuring that Epic has access to the latest Apple technology is the right thing for game developers and gamers. All right? That's the tweet. There's a more detailed statement if you want to go one step deeper. But he is mostly on the Unreal situation. Less so on a Fortnite ban, but more so on the Unreal side, because he's saying this is going to be catastrophic. He's saying this is going to have this wide-reaching impact, and it's going to impact developers large and small, or larger and smaller than that at least, as tremendous collateral damage. You just eliminate these tools completely. If Unreal Engine cannot support games for iOS or macOS, Microsoft will be required to choose between abandoning its customers and potential customers on the iOS and macOS platforms, or choosing a different game engine when preparing to develop new games, the document said. So he's saying, look, that's pretty harsh. We're going to abandon iOS. Are you really? Microsoft will be required to choose between abandoning its customers. Some pretty heavy stuff as well coming via Phil Spencer. But look, I can't say I'm surprised. It is Microsoft after all. They have their own beef going on. And this is the highest profile situation at the moment. So you're going to weigh in on it. It's better for Microsoft if Epic does well, or if Epic wins this dispute here, because Apple is a competitor of Microsoft at the same time, and they keep getting this 30% piece. And I'm sure it would be helpful to a number of developers if Apple figures out some type of flexibility.
Yes.
Whether it's for the cloud gaming service that they're trying to do, the games that they have that are associated with the Unreal Engine, or Fortnite, or Epic themselves. But anyway, he put out a statement, and he's choosing sides. Are you surprised, Will?
No. I think it's a pretty smart move.
That's the way to go. It's a big document. If you want to check it out for yourself. I mean, I don't know if we have any developers out here in this community. We probably got a couple, 5 or 6 developers. I want to know what they think as well, because they're deep in it. But this is the story you want to talk about.
Yeah,
a judge has actually weighed in on this situation.
Yeah.
You get the comments from Microsoft, right? You get the comments from Apple. You get the comments from Epic. The judge is uncertain on the actual Fortnite thing because it was so much more, more targeted the way that thing went down. Just enable the purchases in the thing.